In today's video, we're going to be taking these tarantula fangs and turning them into a sweet tarantula fang pendant. So these are the fangs we're going to be working with. Phlogius Kuttabul, a large Australian rainforest tarantula species. Unfortunately, I've had a fang break away from the chelicera here, but that's alright. We'll do a repair job on it. Check out the size of those fangs. Look at those. See the size of the fang base? Yep. If you look really closely, you can see the slit at the end there where the venom comes out. Alright, enough playing with the fangs. Pop that back there. So we set the fang in place with resin and let it sit to cure. Check that out, easily a centimetre. While we wait for the resin, I'm going to choose a scorpion to set in my second pendant. I think we'll go with the Urodacus manicatus, the black rock scorpions. That's those chunkier orange scorpions up the back as opposed to the lichous, the fine featured little guy. So we mix up some resin, choose our scorpion, and begin the setting in place. One small layer will anchor these items in place where we want them, nice and central. We leave that for a few hours to cure and add the top coat. After that, it's ready for shaping. Getting close to the final shape now, leave a little room for the faceting. And a little look without the template on the top there. The unsanded resin has an awesome icy effect. I think this will be cool for a future project. I might try and leave some faces icy. Check out how that glow powder reacts under the UV light. Pretty spectacular. It was tripping out the camera. Very fun to play with. At night the glow is insane. In the middle of the day in the workshop, not so much. And here, she was perfect. Here is where we should have stopped the shaping. This was the ideal cut I was going for. It just needed to be slimmed down a little. But this uneven facet haunted me and just had to be dealt with.
A few moments later.
And we had severely gone over the top with that retouch job. The angles are, yes, quite different to what we had planned, but hey.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
This is what we got. Although it came out different to what we had planned, I'm still pretty happy with how it turned out. The scorpion, on the other hand, was going perfectly. And the clarity was just insane. Minimal bubbles on the scorpion, just a few near the leg joint there. And that's escaped out of the body of the scorpion, that's not the resin itself. And I'm very happy with how that white base turned out. That was just acrylic paint stirred into resin, intending to make an artistic kind of sand. We were having so much fun with the scorpion, we just couldn't help ourselves. We turned it into a gem. Check out the clarity. This white base really brings out the beautiful orange and reds in this scorpion. Now I may not have this guy as a pet anymore, but I'll be able to admire its beauty forever. few close-ups. Give you a good look at that sand effect. And a few shots to close on the Fang pendant. And a good close look at that break in the resin there where we actually sanded right through the chelicera. Luckily, the Fang base is full of resin, so the structure's intact.